In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily export your chart of accounts from QuickBooks. This process should take just about 5 minutes, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Whether you're preparing for an audit, getting ready for tax season, or just want to have a detailed view of your financial data, exporting your chart of accounts is a great tool to have in your arsenal. First things first, you'll want to sign in to QuickBooks. Open your internet browser, head over to the QuickBooks website, and locate the Sign In option. Once there, go ahead and click on it. If you're using QuickBooks Online, make sure to select that option. This is important as it ensures you're in the right environment for your accounts. Now it's time to type in your login credentials. Enter your username and password. If you're using multi-factor authentication, you may need to check your phone or email for a verification code. Once you've entered everything, hit continue. If you don't already have these credentials handy, it's a good idea to keep them safely stored somewhere secure. You should now be on your QuickBooks dashboard. To begin exporting your chart of accounts, you'll need to click on Transactions. This will lead you to a variety of financial data views. Don't worry about getting lost, the interface is designed to be intuitive. Next, look for the Chart of Accounts option and click on it. This section contains all the accounts that comprise your financial documents. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, you'll see a detailed list of all your accounts which you can organize, view, or export. But right now your goal is to export this data. So the next step is to click on the Run Report button. Doing so helps to visualize everything in a report format, making it easier to spot any errors or anomalies you might want to address before exporting. Once your report is generated, look for an option that says More Actions. This button leads you to various options for what you can do with the report. Click on it, and from there you'll find the Export to Excel option. Proceed by clicking on it. Your chart of accounts will now begin downloading as an Excel file. You can locate this file in your computer's designated Downloads folder. Open it to make sure everything looks correct, and from there you can modify, print, or share the document according to your needs. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to exporting your chart of accounts in QuickBooks in just a few minutes. It's straightforward, efficient, and an invaluable skill for anyone managing financial data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.